chef. Customer sent me a video. It got caught catch on fire. At the end of the video, you'll see it smoking. We do fix all appliances, air conditioning, heating. In this case, this is a turbo chef that we're repairing, and as you can see, smoke started coming out right here. It is a good idea to service turbo chefs because they have some computer boards and they need to breathe pretty much. It needs air circulation to keep it cool. In order to do that, you can give us a call, 818-284-9184, 818-284-9184, and we'll help you out. We'll help you out on any appliance repair.